Hello everyone, it's Stephanie, and for my video today, as you saw from the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you what I got this month in my Lole subscription box and giving you my thoughts on the Lole subscription box itself. So for those of you who don't know, Lole is an activewear brand that is based out of Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and they have really nice pieces for any type of activewear, of course mostly yoga, but they do running, training, and then they have an amazing lifestyle clothing line. Very recently, they went from just being a women's clothing line to actually being a women and men's clothing line, which is really exciting because I feel like they were completely missing out on a huge market of men's activewear and men's, everyday living wear. So I'm going to be showing you what I got in my subscription box. So just to give you a little background on the subscription box, it released this past summer of 2018, and it basically gives you the opportunity to have clothing shipped to you based on a couple different things. So you fill out your profile and you put in information like what size you wear for bottoms, tops, bras, swimwear, and then they ask you questions like what colors would you absolutely never want to receive. You click those. What you like to do on a daily basis, how many times you go swimming, how many times you practice yoga, running, things like that, just so that the stylist at Lole can really get a feel for who you are, what your personality is, what your preferences are in terms of style itself and the colors you wear, as well as, of course, naturally the sizing, so they can send you the right things. Just a blanket note so people know, currently Lole subscription box is only available in Canada as it is a Canadian brand. They've just recently launched it, so they're trying to test out the waters to see how the Canadian market, which I feel like is probably their biggest market naturally because it is a Canadian brand and they're born out of Montreal. They're just getting their feet wet with this Lole subscription box and they want to see how it goes. The reason I decided to kind of check it out is because naturally on Instagram I see people with subscription boxes all the time. Like, it is ridiculous the stuff you can get on a subscription box. I follow a lot of accounts for bunnies, and there is a bunny subscription box. There's ones for dogs, cats, there's things for clothing, for makeup, for the earth, for like vegans, for like there's everything. There's subscription boxes for literally everything you can think of, which is just crazy. So the Lole subscription box was one I kind of thought would be good, mostly because of a price point, because it's done within Canada. The shipping is free. It's included in the subscription box. What happens is every month, or 3 months or 2 months, I do every 3 months, based on the frequency of your choice, I get charged a $25 styling fee, and what that does is it just basically pays for the time it takes them to select the clothing based on my preferences. And then they send out the items to me. They don't charge me yet. I have 14 days from the date I receive my package to try on everything, think about it, and then the things I don't want to keep, I send back. They include a return slip, and you can just put it back in the box, in the packing slip, and you just send it on back to them. They accept it, and they don't charge you for the stuff you return. They only charge you for the stuff you kept. And whatever you keep, that $25 styling fee is actually already put into the price. So the first subscription box I got, I only got one item, and I think that item was about $80. So the $25 I had paid already with my styling fee was taken off of that $80, so I only ended up spending like $65, including taxes. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for this box. For starters, it is a big box. Like, that's massive. It's pretty hefty. The reason I decided to go with the 3-month frequency was because I felt like every 3 months there's a new season coming around, so I thought that seasonally it just kind of worked really well. So I'm curious to see what I got. Alright, so now I've got it out of the wrapping style. So for those of you who don't know, Lole's color is yellow, and so you get this really gigantic, beautiful yellow box with all of your goodies inside. So I'm going to open it here on my desk and check out what we got. Ooh, okay. So, always when you get it, it just says Lole, and on the other side it says merci. Thank you, you know, thank you for joining the Lole Box community. Just a little thank you note. And then I'm actually going to take this out, put the box down. So, like I said, what happens when you get the box is inside, here is your packing sheet. So this just describes everything you've received in this box. And what happens is when there are items you're shipping back, you highlight the items you're shipping back so that they know what items to look out for. And like I said, they already include a return package. So I literally just stick the clothes inside, drop it off at my local UPS store, and off it goes back to Lole. And of course, I love their bags. So they send all the clothing in one of their really gigantic totes, which is really awesome. So let's dive in and see what I got. Okay, so, ooh, oh my gosh, I love this color. So this is called the Olive Pants, and it is in Windsor Wine. Oh, I like the sound of that. These are really nice. Alright. Hey, ooh, these are cute. These look super comfy though. Oh my gosh, these would be amazing for work. So I haven't tried them on yet, obviously, but these are just what they look like. It's eco-conscious fabric, which is awesome. So I actually probably maybe consider these. These are kind of expensive, but we'll see. But yeah, that's what they look like. They're a nice little length with a, I really love this with the cinched part at the foot. I think these would be absolutely beautiful for work because I work with little kids. I'm always really aware of the clothes I have to wear, just in terms of how much I move around. You know, I'm always on the floor, I'm sitting in a chair on the floor, sitting in a chair, standing up, going around the room, you get it. So I always have to wear, so I think these would be absolutely amazing for that. So I'm really looking forward to trying these on. Okay, so we have leggings. These are the Parisia ankle leggings. Ooh. And I quite like the pattern, actually. It's the Dark Charcoal Morning Fog. And that's an interesting title. Oh, those are cute. Oh my gosh, this is going to be such an expensive box. Okay. So these are really nice. They're, oh, I like that fabric. I do worry, though. I have to see how they feel when I try on and see what they look like. My worry for a lot of leggings, particularly athletic wear leggings, is that the butt is always see-through. And I don't know why that like, I know why it happens because the fabric, but like, I feel like a lot of athletic wear companies would want to look into their fabric and say like, okay, like, we don't want, you know, women don't want to have, you know, their butt showing and their fancy or not so fancy in most cases underwear. So we should probably consider a fabric that is not so see-through. So. Oh, okay, this is white. Let's see about that. I may not take this out of the packaging. This is the Renell top in white. It's very nice. It's a very basic white t-shirt. I'll have to see how it fits because it's a medium. I'm not going to take that out just because you can kind of see it's a white t-shirt. Next. Ooh, sweaters. Yes. Ooh, this is actually a dress. Okay, this is the Sika dress and Laurel Wreath Heather. So I said sweater because that's what I saw. So it kind of looked like a crew neck. So I'm assuming it's a sweater dress. I'm going to just take a shot in the dark and say that. Let's see how that look. Ooh, that's cute. Oh, that's nice. Alright, this looks nice. Very comfy, cozy. This actually would be something good to wear. I could wear to work because, you know, it's a sweater fabric. Ooh, I didn't even notice this. At the bottom, there's like a nice little zipper detail. I didn't even realize that. So I think that would be good to wear. I'm definitely going to look at that one. So far, this box is amazing. Last month, I wasn't sure. There was, like I said, there's only one thing I kept last month. Because I thought there was a lot of patterns I didn't really like. Let's see. Okay, these are just, looks like they're just leggings. Doesn't seem like they're, so it just says they are the Avon leggings in dark denim, large, extra large. So maybe these are just the leisure wear leggings. They kind of feel like leisure. Yeah, they don't really feel like they're workout leggings. They definitely feel like more casual wear transfer. So they kind of remind me a little bit of like some like leggings I have, like I wear as leggings under a dress, kind of like the step between a stocking and an actual like legging. Anybody guess what it is? All right, this is, ooh, I like this color actually. This is the Sakina tank in Marine. This is a beautiful color. I will take it out just for the packaging because I didn't even see, but this is a very pretty color. To see, I do have a lot of tanks, but like I said, I try all of them on, so we'll see. And then the last item is, ooh, is a cardigan, the Essential Up cardigan in black. Ooh. Truth be told, I have been looking for a sweater kind of like this as an everyday sweater to wear, like I said, to work. Probably would be a really great thing after the gym or if you're going swimming. Ooh, this feels nice. Oh, that's lovely. That's heavenly. Oh, that's pretty. Now this isn't a medium, so I'll try it on, but I may, if I love it, I may get a large. So how that works in case there is an item that doesn't fit you, I think what you just do is you say, you can message them or write when you return it, say just too small, would like the large, and I think you figure out a way there to get the items. So overall, as you can see, I really like most of the stuff that Lole has. I really love this box. I feel like it's going to be a lot harder than the last time to decide like what kind of stuff I want to keep and what stuff I want to send back. Also, I have to think about that obviously from a budget standpoint because I don't want to spend a ridiculous amount of money. That's probably my only thing with the Lole box. You only receive a discount after you spend $250. I think you save $20 extra or something like that. So you're receiving these items at the full price. You're not getting insert a discounted price, but I feel like that's the exact same way for all of the clothing subscription boxes. The one thing I really love about this one versus another one I have subscribed to is that they only charge, Lole only charges for the subscription fee. They don't charge for all of the clothing, because that's one thing I'm going through now is I have a subscription box from another clothing brand. They sent it to me, but they charged me the full value of the stuff already, and then I sent everything back anyways because I didn't like everything. But I still have that charge now on my credit card, and when I checked, it's going to take at least 10 to 15 business days before it gets taken off. So I really don't like that thing about that. But yeah, so that's the one thing I like about this box is that they only charge you for a styling fee, and then they don't charge you for the stuff until they received everything back that you don't want. So that is all I have to show you for this month's Lole subscription box and what the subscription box is, when I think about it, what I think about it, things I don't like about it. So I hope you enjoy. If you are a Canadian, I highly suggest you look into the subscription box because I think you might really enjoy it. Like I said, Lole has really beautiful quality stuff. I really love their stuff. I have sweaters, tops, like tank tops, I have leggings from them, I have shorts from them, and I have bathing suits from them. It's a really great brand, and of course always wanting to support the Canadian companies is something I really love doing, so definitely look into that. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and it would be really great if you could subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!